The students who thrive in the Walton MBA share three qualities: an unwavering drive for greatness, a growth mindset, and a genuine care for others. First is the unwavering drive for greatness. Our students set high standards for themselves, and they're willing to put in the effort to meet them. They combine intellectual curiosity with a strong work ethic and a bias for action. They ask thoughtful questions, they dig for deeper understanding, and then they take the initiative to turn their ideas into results. That combination of curiosity and discipline is what propels them forward not only in the program, but for a successful career trajectory following graduation. Second, a growth mindset. The program is intentionally rigorous. It's challenging. And the students who thrive are the ones who embrace that challenge. They see these challenges as opportunities to learn, to grow, to get better. And they're eager to stretch beyond their comfort zones. And I'd say the third quality is a genuine care for others. Because this is a cohort-based program. Students move in lockstep, taking classes together, struggling with concepts together, celebrating wins together. They build lifelong friendships. They succeed as a team. Our students have this powerful combination of striving for greatness while also striving to help their classmates achieve greatness. One of my favorite quotes is by Zig Ziglar. He said, "You can have everything in life you want if you will help enough other people get what they want." You see that mindset lived out every day in our classrooms. That blend of drive, growth mindset, and a care for others is what I think makes Walton MBA students so special. And it's what prepares them to lead with both confidence and character.